Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you today. Let me introduce you the WolfWise Sun Protection Tent. Yeah, it's a beach tent, for example. In it is space for up to 3 until 4 people, and you have an instant sun protection. Woo! It's made of polyester. Pop-up design and portability. It pops up and folds down in seconds. No assembly required. Ultra lightweight construction allows for easy transportation with included carry-on bag. It weighs just 4.6 pounds and folds down to a travel size of 29.5 inches to 29.5 inches to 1.8 inches. This is, for this large tent, really small storage spaces. Spacious space and 360 degrees ventilation. The tent is 86 inches long to 57 inches wide and 47 inches high. It provides a spacious interior shelter that comfortably fits for 3 and 4 people. These are 3 adults or 2 adults with 2 kids, for example. High density Mac window with large entrance and full-size rear door to deliver 360 degrees ventilation for better dissipation of body heat and outdoor feeling. It provides an ideal shade for your little boys when it has a moment of rest in the middle of the soccer game or baseball game at the court, or you go to the beach with your family. UPF 50 plus and water repellent. The water repellent polyester with taped seams keeps the inner shelter dry, and the silver coated tan surface reflects and absorbs sunlight to block up to 98% of the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays, which protects you from ultraviolet rays all the time if you use this tent. It has a durable construction. The tent is made of anti-tear 190T polyester for long-lasting performance. The frame is made of galvanized steel, which is not easy to break and protects against corrosion. Compared with other tents, they use fiberglass for their frames, which makes it unstable and easy to break. Creative design and more stability. The rear double pull sliders of the tent makes for more convenient entry and exit system. 2 storage pockets below each window to keep small items organized. 4 corner sand pockets are designed to be filled with sand for added stability on beach side. Yeah, pop-up beach tent. Nature awaits you. So let's do this. How to use it? It is really easy. The only way you have to do is remove these latches, as you can see, and then you can throw it away or give a little bit, and then it folds up automatically. Nice airflow, storage pockets, sandbags, large windows. Oh yeah, holy, this is awesome. If you are at the beach, you can use the tire and a windrobe on each corner loops of the beach tent. Then insert a stake into the loop of the windrobe and then drive the stake into the sand, and your tent is easily supported. A large size windows positions on each side of the tent for extra airflow and visual clarity. Yeah, and you can see it is space for this heavy guy in it easily. It is enough space for him. Oh yeah, and he has so much space to rest in it. Yeah. In the package is 1 beach tent, 4 wind ropes, 8 tent stakes, and 1 instruction manual. And you have so many different things you can do with this awesome tent. And you do not have to assemble it first. The only way you have to do is unlock it, throw it away, and then it will unfold the tent by itself. Here you see some zippers. The zippers will make a little bit more privacy inside the tent. It is nice and comfortable. Really nice. I like it. I will have some fun with this tent on my private beach. I do not have a private beach. Maybe later. So now let's fold it together. It is easy, really easy, but you have to work or walk some instruction for this. The first step is, I will rotate it for you, and then lift up the edges and open all zippers for easier folding up process. And then everything is open. We are ready to fold the tent again to the storage position. So there it is. It's open. Now you have it easily to fold it. So let's rotate it and then lift up each side, the right side and the left side. Oh yeah, okay. Clear the area. Oh, good job. Now fold these sides up. Here it is. First step, both sides. Left side again. And step number 1 cleared. Now we have to rotate the tent sides to opposite direction each side. So we have to rotate it into it. Then the tent will fold automatically inside itself. So let's do this. Now rotating each side a little bit. You have to bend a little bit. This is normal. And then you will create a circle with it. And if you have the first circle, you can push it together above the other circle, like now. Here you can see. And the first side is now stored. Good job. Now let's head up to the other side. Keep holding the full construction and then fold the other side to a circle 2. Do the same like before at the other side. And if the circles are not at the same shape, you have to remove a little bit pressure out of your hand, and then you can carry the circles in one direction. Here it is. Job's done soon. Oh, the one circle is not so big like the others, and then we will get a little bit more space for it. Here it is. Now we have a tent in a storage position. Nice and easy, as you can see. Now we have to wrap back the rubber thing to support the tent in that position. Yeah, good job. Oh, no. You have to wrap it around all the tent. That's not working. Yeah, but we can fix this easily. Here we go. Pull it out and now push it above sides. Okay. Yeah, there it is. And now it goes another try. Here we are. Rotating. Job's done. Yeah, that is easy, isn't it? Oh yeah, that it is. After this, we use a cover to protect the tent and we can go to another place with this tent, another beach, another forest, another city, or where you are going to like to camp a little bit. Nice and easy, that it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Yeah, thank you. Soon.